What's going on, YouTube? This is Bobby with Precision Ironworks. I'm gonna be making a video today, guys. A little piece of the project that we're working on for Warwick construction. We have to build and fabricate a crazy amount of balcony balusters from scratch, all out of lovely aluminum. Okay, a few things before we get started. I've made a couple of videos before. I'm no pro at this, but I've never really posted them because I've always thought, well, I kind of look like a moron. But we're gonna try it out and see how it goes. Another thing, doing this kind of work, you will be measuring your butt off ridiculously. And when it comes to fractions and decimals and everything else, unless you're Johnny on the spot with the math, you're really going to struggle at getting things done effectively and efficiently in a decent amount of time. That's where these guys come in. Winningrad Apps LLC developed an app called, I think it's Feet and Inches Calculator. That thing is boss. It has saved me time after time after time. And I can't say enough about it. If I knew how, I'd put a link down in the bottom of the video for the app, but I don't know how yet. I'll get there one day. Okay. Now, back to work. So, our outside posts, we're going to be making 8 inches wide at the widest point. We're going to be making a 8-inch wide balcony rail. I know it's mighty short, but the shorter ones are the most difficult ones, believe it or not, because fitting them in just perfect compared to something that's 8 feet long, it becomes a real hassle. Now, taking in mind that these are 1.5 by 1, actually no, they're 1.25 by 1.25. So if you take and put them together, you have 2.5. Now, our section's going to be 8 inches long. So we need to take that 2.5 out of that 8 inches, leaving us 5.5. Now, oh yeah, another one of my big advocates besides Miller. Let's move you guys over here to the saw. I'll probably break this, my homemade welding GoPro. I'll show you guys later. Y'all are gonna trip out. Alright. Oh great. The saw, it's falling. Just my luck. Okay, there we go. That saw right there, that is the Irontron. Guys, y'all made an amazing saw here. This thing right here is exactly like the Evolution Rage. Identical, just about $75 cheaper. And if you can afford an abrasive saw, you can afford this guy because it was about $75 cheaper than my abrasive saw, than my rigid. And this is a cold saw, so it does not leave very many burrs at all, and it's completely touchable the second you pull it off the pad. I'll show you guys how clean it cuts after I make these cuts. I've already saved y'all the time of 2 of them and the measuring and whatnot. Let's get this cut and move on with our project. Always cut at the back of your line if you measure it dead on. In the stop block here, we also put a piece of flat stock. That way we're not scarring up the aluminum as we vise it in. Well over 1,000 cuts of this saw right here, and it is still sharp as the day I bought it. Look at these cuts, guys. Look at that. Just a little inside burr, and that's it. Nice, clean, straight cuts. And also, if you can manage, when you cut something, if you pull on the handle side, yeah, they're designed not to bend or flex, but they always do. So if you can manage, put your hand on top and give it a decent downward pull. That way you're coming in nice and clean. And you're not pulling at an angle and trying to rough it and you come out with unsquare product. Now, let me get you moved again. Sorry guys, I know I'm really bad at this. I managed to make a welder's GoPro out of a machined piece of aluminum, which I machined on my Grizzly over here, and an old micrometer stand. Okay. Our pieces are already pressed, length being 39 7/8 inch long. Alright, now we're going to be using a 1 1/4 up at the top, and we're going to use a 1 inch in the middle, and we will be using a 1 1/4 down at the base for stability. Bring all these guys in. And that'll be a rough of what we're supposed to come out with. Now, you can laser level, you can square, you can do everything in the world to make something square, and unless it is done by a program on a machine, you're always going to be out of square in one way or the other. You can get it within a 10,000th of an inch if you like. It's just going to take that little bit of extra oomph to get it there. Now, we're going to square these guys up. See, look at that. Nice, even cuts all the way down. You might be asking how we're going to put balusters in this guy, and a rafting triangle speed square will help us do that. So this guy's squared out. Grab a couple of the balusters. These are going to be too short. Yes, I smoke cigarettes too. Bad habit, I know. On the way to quitting. These are our balusters. In all their glory, they are a pain in the butt to cut evenly, because these pretty little ripples here, spins, twists, whatever you want to call them, make it damn near impossible to measure accurately. Not only that, they weren't laid in the shear evenly, so they're unevenly cut. Now, these are our ornamentals, which you can tell behind me. Those are some of the already made panels. We're not going to be able to fit these big guys in there at all. We're going to have to make something ourselves, nice and pretty, nice and little. So, along the lines of what's already over there, we will lay these guys up there, and that should be a nice enough pattern. Now, I'm probably running out of time here on video because I'm doing this on phone. I'm going to have to do this whole video in parts, but I believe I'm about out of time right now, so I will go ahead and get these laid out, cut, measured, and everything, and the next video should be us welding this up. Alright guys, we'll see y'all later.